Good enough. The certificate of recognition is awarded to the outstanding athlete of 2025 KTZ National Team whose outstanding athleticism, perseverance, and sportsmanship brought pride and honor to Basilangon Taekwondo Club and the country. Given this day, 21st of December 2025. He is a gold and silver medalist in NCR meet, a national cadet team, bronze medalist in Batang Pinoy, and a medalist in national and local meet champion. Our next awardee for outstanding athlete, Noel Carl Reyes. Palakpakan natin. He's also participated in Asian Championships held in Malaysia. Kasama niya si Shane Riza and Jaime, di ba? Ay, yun na. So, he won his qualifying match and lost to one of the toughest teams, Kazakhstan. Yeah. Congratulations, palakpakan natin, Noel Reyes. Oh yeah. Speech pa pala, nakahanda yan.
Good day everyone, our respected coaches, teammates, family and friends. Standing here today as a Taekwondo athlete and a member of the national team is truly an honor. But I want to be honest with all of you. Hindi po madali ang journey as national team athlete and it was never perfect. Like any athlete, I had experienced any ups and downs. There were moments of victory that made me proud times and all the hard work finally paid off. But there were also moments of loss, matches. I thought I could win, injuries that tested my patience and days when my confidence was shaken. There were times I questioned myself, my ability, and even my future in this sport. However, Taekwondo taught me something very important. Falling down is part of fight, but getting back up is a true victory. Every defeat became a lesson, every setback became a reason to train harder, to be more disciplined, and to become mentally strong. Being part of the national team is one of the greatest achievements of my life. It represents not only my personal dreams, but also the sacrifice of my mom, the guidance of my coaches, and the support of everyone who believes in me, even when I doubted myself. Wearing our country's name on my uniform is a responsibility I carry with pride, humility, and determination. As I look ahead to next year, my plan as an athlete is clear. I will continue to train harder, physically, mentally, and emotionally. I will focus on improving my weakness, sharpening my techniques, and strengthening my mindset. I aim to compete better, perform consistently, and represent our country with honor and dignity. More than medals, my goal is growth, not just an athlete, but as a person. To my fellow athletes, especially the younger ones, don't be afraid of failure. Embrace it. Let it shape you, not stop. Your journey may be hard. But if you stay committed, respectful, and passionate, your time will come. Thank you to everyone who continues to support me on this journey. I promise to keep fighting, keep improving, and keep believing. Maraming salamat po na mabuhay ang taekwondo at ang ating bansa. From Ma'am GPT.
Ang galing! Magaling talaga mag-speech. Thank you, ChatGPT. Good speech, Noel. Very good.
Kaya go!